فكبكبوا فيها هم والغاوون.
Then the idols and those who strayed will be hurled into the fire headlong, one upon another.
وجنود إبليس أجمعون.
And so too the hosts of Iblis, all of them.
قالوا وهم فيها يختصمون.
There they will quarrel with one another, and the erring ones will say to their deities,
تالله إن كنا لفي ضلال مبين.
By Allah, we were surely in clear error.
إذ نسويكم برب العالمين.
When we assign to you a position equal to that of the Lord of the universe.
وما أولنا إلا المجرمون.
It is none but those steeped in guilt who led us into this error.
فما لنا من شافعين.
And now we have none to intercede on our behalf.
ولا صديق حميم.
Nor do we have a truly sincere friend.
فلو أن لنا كرة فنكون من المؤمنين.
If only we could return, we would be among the believers.
إن في ذلك لآية وما كان أكثرهم مؤمنين.
Surely there's a sign in this, but most of them would not believe.
وإن ربك لهو العزيز الرحيم.
Verily, your Lord is immensely mighty, ever compassionate.
كذبت قوم نوح المرسلين.
The people of Noah gave the lie to the messengers.
إذ قال لهم أخوهم نوح ألا تتقون.
Recall when their brother Noah said to them, Do you have no fear?
إني لكم رسول أمين.
I am a trustworthy messenger to you.
فاتقوا الله وأطيعون.
So fear Allah and obey me.
وما أسألكم عليه من أجر إن أجري إلا على رب العالمين.
I seek of you no reward for this. My reward is with none except the Lord of the universe.
فاتقوا الله وأطيعون.
So fear Allah and obey me.
قالوا أنؤمن لك واتبعك الأرذلون.
They answered, Shall we accept you, even though it is the meanest of people who follow you?
قال وما علمي بما كانوا يعملون.
Noah said, What knowledge do I have about their deeds?
إن حسابهم إلا على ربي لو تشعرون.
It is only for my Lord to take account of them. Would that you made use of your understanding.
وما أنا بطارد المؤمنين.
It is not for me to repel those who choose to believe.
إن أنا إلا نذير مبين.
I am none but a plain warner.
قالوا لئن لم تنته يا نوح لتكونن من المرجومين.
They said, O Noah, if you do not desist, you will certainly become one of the accursed.
قال رب إن قومي كذبون.
He said, My Lord, my people have branded me a liar.
فافتح بيني وبينهم فتحا ونجني ومن معي من المؤمنين.
So pass a clear judgment between me and them, and rescue me and the believers with me.
فأنجيناه ومن معه في الفلك المشحون.
Thereafter we rescued him and those who were with him in the laden ark.
ثم أغرقنا بعد الباقين
And drowned the rest.
إن في ذلك لآية وما كان أكثرهم مؤمنين.
Surely there's a sign in this, but most of them would not believe.
وإن ربك لهو العزيز الرحيم.
Verily, your Lord is immensely mighty, ever compassionate.
كذبت عاد المرسلين.
The Ad gave the lie to the messengers.
إذ قال لهم أخوهم هود ألا تتقون.
Recall when their brother Hud said to them, Have you no fear?
إني لكم رسول أمين.
I am a trustworthy messenger to you.
فاتقوا الله وأطيعون.
So fear Allah and obey me.
وما أسألكم عليه من أجر إن أجري إلا على رب العالمين.
I seek of you no reward for this. My reward is with none but the Lord of the universe.
أتبنون بكل ريع آية تعبثون.
What? You build a monument on every hill merely for fun?
وتتخذون مصانع لعلكم تخلدون.
And erect huge palaces as though you will live forever?
وإذا بطشتم بطشتم جبارين.
And when you strike like tyrants.
فاتقوا الله وأطيعون.
So fear Allah and obey me.
واتقوا الذي أمدكم بما تعلمون.
Have fear of Him who has provided you with all the good things you know.
أمدكم بأنعام وبنين.
Who has provided you with flocks and children.
وجنات وعيون.
And with gardens and springs.
إني أخاف عليكم عذاب يوم عظيم.
I fear for you the chastisement of an awesome day.
قالوا سواء علينا أوعظت أم لم تكن من الواعظين.
They replied, It is all the same for us whether you admonish us or not.
إن هذا إلا خلق الأولين.
This has been happening all along.
وما نحن بمعذبين.
We will not be subjected to any chastisement.
فكذبوه فأهلكناهم إن في ذلك لآية وما كان أكثرهم مؤمنين.
Eventually they gave the lie to him, and we destroyed them. Surely there's a sign in this, but most of them would not believe.
وَإِنَّ رَبَّكَ لَهُوَ الْعَزِيزُ الرَّحِيمُ.
Verily, your Lord is immensely mighty, most compassionate.
كذبت ثمود المرسلين.
The Thamud gave the lie to the messengers.
إذ قال لهم أخوهم صالح ألا تتقون.
Recall when their brother Saleh said to them, Have you no fear?
إني لكم رسول أمين.
I am a trustworthy messenger to you.
فاتقوا الله وأطيعون.
So fear Allah and obey me.
وما أسألكم عليه من أجر إن أجري إلا على رب العالمين.
I ask of you no reward. My reward is with none but the Lord of the universe.
أتتركون فيما هاهنا آمنين.
Do you believe that you will be left here to live securely in the present state?
في جنات وعيون.
Amidst gardens and springs,
وزروع ونخل طلعها هضيم.
and cornfields and date palms laden with juicy fruits,
وتنحتون من الجبال بيوتا فارهين.
you hew dwellings in mountains and exult in that.
فاتقوا الله وأطيعون.
Fear Allah and obey me,
ولا تطيعوا أمر المسرفين.
and do not follow the biddings of those that go to excesses,
الذين يفسدون في الأرض ولا يصلحون.
and spread mischief in the land rather than set things right.
قالوا إنما أنت من المسحرين.
They replied, You are nothing but one of those who are bewitched.
ما أنت إلا بشر مثلنا فأت بآية إن كنت من الصادقين.
You are no different from a mortal like us, so produce a sign if you are truthful.
قال هذه ناقة لها شرب ولكم شرب يوم معلوم.
Saleh said, This is a she-camel. There's a day set for her to drink, and there's a day set for you to drink.
ولا تمسوها بسوء فيأخذكم عذاب يوم عظيم.
Do not molest her, lest the chastisement of an awesome day should seize you.
فعقروها فأصبحوا نادمين.
But they hamstrung her and then regretted it.
فأخذهم العذاب إن في ذلك لآية وما كان أكثرهم مؤمنين.
So the chastisement seized them. Surely there's a sign in this, but most of them would not believe.
وَإِنَّ رَبَّكَ لَهُوَ الْعَزِيزُ الرَّحِيمُ.
Verily, your Lord is immensely mighty, most compassionate.
كذبت قوم لوط المرسلين.
The people of Lot rejected the messengers, branding them liars.
إذ قال لهم أخوهم لوط ألا تتقون.
Recall when their brother Lot said to them, Have you no fear?
إني لكم رسول أمين.
I am a trustworthy messenger to you.
فاتقوا الله وأطيعون.
So fear Allah and obey me.
وما أسألكم عليه من أجر إن أجري إلا على رب العالمين.
I seek of you no reward. My reward is with none but the Lord of the universe.
أتأتون الذكران من العالمين.
What? Of all creation will you go to fornicate with the males?
وتذرون ما خلق لكم ربكم من أزواجكم بل أنتم قوم عادون.
Leaving aside those whom Allah has created for you as your mates? Nay, you are a people that has transgressed all limits.
قالوا لئن لم تنته يا لوط لتكونن من المخرجين.
They said, O Lot, if you do not desist, you will be one of those expelled from our towns.
قال إني لعملكم من القالين.
He said, I am one of those who abhor your practice.
رب نجني وأهلي مما يعملون.
My Lord, deliver me and my family from their wicked deeds.
فنجيناه وأهله أجمعين.
Then we delivered him and all his family,
إلا عجوزا في الغابرين.
except an old woman who was among those that stayed behind.
ثم دمرنا الآخرين.
Thereafter, we utterly destroyed the rest.
وأمطرنا عليهم مطرا فساء مطر المنذرين.
And we sent upon them a rain, an evil rain, that fell on those who had been warned.
إن في ذلك لآية وما كان أكثرهم مؤمنين.
Surely there's a sign in this, but most of them would not believe.
وإن ربك لهو العزيز الرحيم.
Verily, your Lord is immensely mighty, most compassionate.
كذب أصحاب الأيكة المرسلين.
The people of Aika also gave the lie to the messengers.
إذ قال لهم شعيب ألا تتقون.
Recall when Shuaib said to them, Have you no fear?
إني لكم رسول أمين.
I am a trustworthy messenger to you.
فاتقوا الله وأطيعون.
So fear Allah and obey me.
وما أسألكم عليه من أجر إن أجري إلا على رب العالمين.
I ask of you no reward for this. My reward is with none but the Lord of the universe.
أوفوا الكيل ولا تكونوا من المخسرين.
Fill up the measure and do not diminish the goods of people.
وزنوا بالقسطاس المستقيم.
Weigh with an even balance.
ولا تبخسوا الناس أشياءهم ولا تعثوا في الأرض مفسدين.
And do not deliver short, and do not go about creating mischief in the land.
واتقوا الذي خلقكم والجبلة الأولين.
And have fear of him who created you and the earlier generations.
قالوا إنما أنت من المسحرين.
They said, You are no more than one of those who have been bewitched.
وما أنت إلا بشر مثلنا وإن نظنك لمن الكاذبين.
You are only a mortal like us. Indeed, we believe that you are an utter liar.
فأسقط علينا كسفا من السماء إن كنت من الصادقين.
So cause a piece of the sky to fall upon us if you are truthful.
قال ربي أعلم بما تعملون.
Shuaib said, My Lord knows well all what you do.
فكذبوه فأخذهم عذاب يوم الظلة إنه كان عذاب يوم عظيم.
Then they branded him a liar, whereupon the chastisement of the day of canopy overtook them. It was the chastisement of a very awesome day.
إن في ذلك لآية وما كان أكثرهم مؤمنين.
Surely there's a sign in this, but most of them would not believe.
وإن ربك لهو العزيز الرحيم.
Verily, your Lord is immensely mighty, most compassionate.
وإنه لتنزيل رب العالمين.
Indeed, this is a revelation from the Lord of the universe,
نزل به الروح الأمين.
which the truthful Spirit has carried down
على قلبك لتكون من المنذرين.
to your heart, that you might become one of those who warn others on behalf of Allah.
بلسان عربي مبين.
A revelation in clear Arabic language.
وإنه لفي زبور الأولين.
A revelation embodied in the scriptures of the ancients.
أولم يكن لهم آية أن يعلمه علماء بني إسرائيل.
Is it not a sign to them, to wit the Meccans, that the learned men of the children of Israel know that?
ولو نزلناه على بعض الأعجمين.
But such is their adamance that had we revealed it to one of the non-Arabs, and even if we had recited this clear Arabic discourse to them,
فقرأه عليهم ما كانوا به مؤمنين.
they would still not have believed in it.
كذلك سلكناه في قلوب المجرمين.
Thus have we caused this admonition to penetrate the hearts of the culprits like a hot rod.
لا يؤمنون به حتى يروا العذاب الأليم.
They will not believe in it until they clearly see the grievous chastisement.
فيأتيهم بغتة وهم لا يشعرون.
But when it comes upon them suddenly, taking them unawares,
فيقولوا هل نحن منظرون.
they say, can we be granted some respite?
أفبعذابنا يستعجلون.
Do they really want our chastisement to be expedited?
أفرأيت إن متعناهم سنين.
Did you consider that if we were to let them enjoy life for many years,
ثم جاءهم ما كانوا يوعدون.
and then the chastisement of which they were being warned were to come upon them,
ما أغنى عنهم ما كانوا يمتعون.
of what avail will be the provisions of life which they have been granted to enjoy?
وما أهلكنا من قرية إلا لها منذرون.
We never destroyed any habitation but that it had warners.
ذكرى وما كنا ظالمين.
To admonish them, we have never been unjust.
وما تنزلت به الشياطين.
The Satans did not bring down this clear book,
وما ينبغي لهم وما يستطيعون.
nor does it behove them, nor does it lie in their power.
إنهم عن السمع لمعزولون.
Indeed, they are debarred from even hearing it.
فلا تدع مع الله إلها آخر فتكون من المعذبين.
So do not call any other God beside Allah, lest you become of those who will be punished.
وأنذر عشيرتك الأقربين.
And warn your nearest kinsmen,
واخفض جناحك لمن اتبعك من المؤمنين.
and be meek to the believers who follow you.
فإن عصوك فقل إني بريء مما تعملون.
Then if they disobey you, say to them, I am quit of what you do.
وتوكل على العزيز الرحيم.
And put your trust in Him who is immensely mighty, most compassionate.
الذي يراك حين تقوم.
Who observes you when you rise to pray.
وتقلبك في الساجدين.
And observes your movements among those who prostrate themselves.
إنه هو السميع العليم.
He is all-hearing, all-knowing.
هل أنبئكم على من تنزل الشياطين؟
O people, shall I tell you on whom it is that Satans descend?
تنزل على كل أفاك أثيم.
They descend on every forgerer steeped in sin.
يلقون السمع وأكثرهم كاذبون.
On those who whisper hearsay in the ears of people, and most of them are liars.
والشعراء يتبعهم الغاوون.
As for poets, only the wayward follow them.
ألم تر أنهم في كل واد يهيمون.
Do you not see that they wander about in every valley?
وأنهم يقولون ما لا يفعلون.
And say things which they do not act upon.
إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وذكروا الله كثيرا وانتصروا من بعد ما ظلموا وسيعلم الذين ظلموا أي منقلب ينقلبون.
Except those who believed and acted righteously and remembered Allah much, and when they themselves were subjected to wrong, they exacted retribution no more than to the extent of the wrong. Soon will the wrongdoers know the end that they shall reach.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
طاسين تلك آيات القرآن وكتاب مبين.
Tasin. These are the verses of the Quran and a clear book.
هدى وبشرى للمؤمنين.
A guidance and good tidings for the believers.
الذين يقيمون الصلاة ويؤتون الزكاة وهم بالآخرة هم يوقنون.
Who establish prayer and give zakah and have firm faith in the hereafter.
إن الذين لا يؤمنون بالآخرة زينا لهم أعمالهم فهم يعمهون.
As for those who do not believe in the hereafter, we've made their deeds seem attractive to them, so they stumble around in perplexity.
أولئك الذين لهم سوء العذاب وهم في الآخرة هم الأخسرون.
It is they for whom a grievous chastisement lies in store. It is they who shall be the greatest losers in the hereafter.
وإنك لتلقى القرآن من لدن حكيم عليم.
As for you, O Muhammad, you are receiving the Quran from the most wise, the all-knowing.
إذ قال موسى لأهله إني آنست نارا سآتيكم منها بخبر أو آتيكم بشهاب قبس لعلكم تصطلون.
Recount to them when Moses said to his family, I perceive something like fire. Soon will I bring to you some information from there, or I will bring you a burning brand, that you may warm yourselves.
فلما جاءها نودي أن بورك من في النار ومن حولها وسبحان الله رب العالمين.
But when Moses came to the fire, a call was sounded. Blessed is he who is in the fire, and whatever is around it. Glory be to Allah, the sustainer of all in the universe.
يا موسى إنه أنا الله العزيز الحكيم.
O Moses, verily this is me, Allah, the Almighty, the All-Wise.
وألق عصاك فلما رآها تهتز كأنها جان ولا مدبرا ولم يعقب يا موسى لا تخف إني لا يخاف لدي المرسلون.
Now cast your rod. But when he saw the rod writhing as though it were a serpent, he turned his back in retreat and did not even look behind. O Moses, have no fear. Messengers have no fear in my presence.
إلا من ظلم ثم بدل حسنا بعد سوء فإني غفور رحيم.
Except he who has committed some wrong. But if he substitutes good in place of evil, I am most forgiving, most compassionate.
وأدخل يدك في جيبك تخرج بيضاء من غير سوء في 9 آيات إلى فرعون وقومه إنهم كانوا قوما فاسقين.
Now put your hand into your bosom, and it will come forth shining without any blemish. These are 2 of the 9 signs to be carried to Pharaoh and his people. They are surely a wicked people.
فلما جاءتهم آياتنا مبصرة قالوا هذا سحر مبين.
But when our clear signs came to them, they said, This is plain magic.
وجحدوا بها واستيقنتها أنفسهم ظلما وعلوا فانظر كيف كان عاقبة المفسدين.
They denied those signs out of iniquity and arrogance, although their hearts were convinced of their truth. So see how evil was the end of those mischief makers.
ولقد آتينا داود وسليمان علما وقال الحمد لله الذي فضلنا على كثير من عباده المؤمنين.
On the other hand, we granted knowledge to David and Solomon, and they said, All praise be to Allah, who has exalted us above many of his believing servants.
وورث سليمان داود وقال يا أيها الناس علمنا منطق الطير وأوتينا من كل شيء إن هذا لهو الفضل المبين.
And Solomon succeeded David and said, O people, we have been taught the speech of birds, and we have been endowed with all kinds of things. Surely this is a conspicuous favor from Allah.
وحشر لسليمان جنوده من الجن والإنس والطير فهم يوزعون.
Hosts of jinn and humans and birds were marshaled for Solomon and were kept under full control.
حتى إذا أتوا على واد النمل قالت نملة يا أيها النمل ادخلوا مساكنكم لا يحطمنكم سليمان وجنوده وهم لا يشعرون.
Solomon was once on the move with them until when they reached a valley of ants, one of the ants said, "O ants, get into your holes, lest Solomon and his hosts crush you under their feet without even knowing."
فتبسم ضاحكا من قولها وقال رب أوزعني أن أشكر نعمتك التي أنعمت علي وعلى والدي وأن أعمل صالحا ترضاه وأدخلني برحمتك في عبادك الصالحين.
Smiling at the ant's utterance, Solomon burst into laughter and said, "My Lord, hold me under your control, that I may render thanks for the favor which you have bestowed on me and on my parents, and that I may act righteously in a manner that would please you. Include me out of your mercy among your righteous servants."
وتفقد الطير فقال ما لي لا أرى الهدهد أم كان من الغائبين.
On another occasion, Solomon inspected the birds and said, "Why is it that I do not see the hoopoe? Is he among the absentees?"
لأعذبنه عذابا شديدا أو لأذبحنه أو ليأتيني بسلطان مبين.
I will inflict a severe punishment on him, or maybe even slaughter him, unless he comes forth with a convincing reason for his absence.
فمكث غير بعيد فقال أحطت بما لم تحط به وجئتك من سبأ بنبأ يقين.
Not before long, the hoopoe came up and said, "I have obtained a knowledge which you could not. I have brought for you sure news about Sheba.
إني وجدت امرأة تملكهم وأوتيت من كل شيء ولها عرش عظيم.
I found there a woman ruling over them, one who has been endowed with all things and has a mighty throne.
وجدتها وقومها يسجدون للشمس من دون الله وزين لهم الشيطان أعمالهم فصدهم عن السبيل فهم لا يهتدون.
I found that she and her people prostrate themselves before the sun rather than Allah. Satan has made their deeds appear attractive to them and has thus debarred them from the right path, so they do not find true guidance.
ألا يسجدوا لله الذي يخرج الخبأ في السماوات والأرض ويعلم ما تخفون وما تعلنون.
That they would prostrate themselves before Allah, who brings to light all that is hidden in the heavens and the earth, and knows all that you conceal and all that you reveal.
الله لا إله إلا هو رب العرش العظيم.
Allah, none is worthy of worship save He, He is the Lord of the mighty throne.
قال سننظر أصدقت أم كنت من الكاذبين.
Solomon said, Soon shall we see whether you have spoken the truth or are one of those that lie.
اذهب بكتابي هذا فألقه إليهم ثم تول عنهم فانظر ماذا يرجعون.
Take this letter of mine, deliver it to them, and then draw back from them, and observe what they do.
قالت يا أيها الملأ إني ألقي إلي كتاب كريم.
The queen said, Know, my nobles, that a gracious letter has been delivered to me.
إنه من سليمان وإنه بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
It is from Solomon, and it is in the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
ألا تعلوا علي وأتوني مسلمين.
It says, Do not act towards me with defiance, but come to me in submission.
قالت يا أيها الملأ أفتوني في أمري ما كنت قاطعة أمرا حتى تشهدون.
After reading the letter, the queen said, Nobles, let me have your counsel in this matter, for I make no firm decision without you.
قالوا نحن أولو قوة وأولو بأس شديد والأمر إليك فانظري ماذا تأمرين.
They said, We are strong and are given to vehement fighting, but the decision is yours. Therefore, consider what you would like to command.
قالت إن الملوك إذا دخلوا قرية أفسدوها وجعلوا أعزة أهلها أذلة وكذلك يفعلون.
The queen said, When the kings enter a country, they cause corruption in it and abase those of its people who are held in honor. This is what they are wont to do.
وإني مرسلة إليهم بهدية فناظرة بما يرجع المرسلون.
I will send them a gift and then see with what answer my envoys return.
فلما جاء سليمان قال أتمدونني بمال فما آتاني الله خير مما آتاكم بل أنتم بهديتكم تفرحون.
Now when the envoy of the queen came to Solomon, he said, Do you want to aid me with wealth? Whatever Allah has granted me is much more than what He has given you. Keep for yourselves your gift in which you are exulting.
ارجع إليهم فلنأتينهم بجنود لا قبل لهم بها ولنخرجنهم منها أذلة وهم صاغرون.
Envoy, go back to those who sent you, and we shall certainly come upon them with hosts whom they will be unable to resist. We shall drive them out from there, and they will suffer humiliation and disgrace.
قال يا أيها الملأ أيكم يأتني بعرشها قبل أن يأتوني مسلمين.
Solomon said, My nobles, which of you can bring me her throne before they come to me in submission?
قال عفريت من الجن أنا آتيك به قبل أن تقوم من مقامك وإني عليه لقوي أمين.
A stalwart of the jinn said, I will bring it to you before you rise from your council. Surely I have the power to do so, and I am trustworthy.
قال الذي عنده علم من الكتاب أنا آتيك به قبل أن يرتد إليك طرفك فلما رآه مستقرا عنده قال هذا من فضل ربي ليبلوني أشكر أم أكفر ومن شكر فإنما يشكر لنفسه ومن كفر فإن ربي غني كريم.
And he who had some knowledge of the book said, I will bring it before the twinkling of your eye. When Solomon saw the throne placed firmly beside him, he cried out, This is by the grace of my Lord, so that he may test me whether I give thanks for his bounty or act with ingratitude. Whoever is grateful is so to his own good. And whoever is ungrateful, let him know that my Lord is immensely resourceful, most bountiful.
قال نكروا لها عرشها ننظر أتهتدي أم تكون من الذين لا يهتدون.
Solomon said, Set the throne before her casually, and let us see whether she gets to the truth, or is one of those who are not guided to what is right.
فلما جاءت قيل أهكذا عرشك قالت كأنه هو وأوتينا العلم من قبلها وكنا مسلمين.
When the queen arrived, she was asked, Is your throne like this one? She said, It seems as if it is the same. We had already come to know this, and we had submitted ourselves.
وصدها ما كانت تعبد من دون الله إنها كانت من قوم كافرين.
What prevented her from accepting the true faith was her worshipping deities other than Allah, for she belonged to an unbelieving people.
قيل لها ادخل الصرح فلما رأته حسبته لجة وكشفت عن ساقيها قال إنه صرح ممرد من قوارير قالت رب إني ظلمت نفسي وأسلمت مع سليمان لله رب العالمين.
She was told, Enter the palace. But when she saw it, she thought it was a pool of water, and she bared both her calves to enter into it. Solomon said, This is a slippery floor of crystal. Thereupon she cried out, My Lord, I have been inflicting much wrong on myself. Now I submit myself with Solomon to Allah, the Lord of the whole universe.
ولقد أرسلنا إلى ثمود أخاهم صالحا أن اعبدوا الله فإذا هم فريقان يختصمون.
And we sent to Thamud their brother Saleh with the message, Serve Allah. But all of a sudden they became split into two quarreling factions.
قال يا قوم لم تستعجلون بالسيئة قبل الحسنة لولا تستغفرون الله لعلكم ترحمون.
Saleh said, My people, why do you wish to hasten that evil rather than good should come upon you? Why should you not seek pardon from Allah so that mercy be shown to you.
قالوا اطيرنا بك وبمن معك قال طائركم عند الله بل أنتم قوم تفتنون.
They said, We augur ill of you and those who are with you. Saleh replied, Your augury is with Allah. The truth is that you are a people who are being tried.
وكان في المدينة 9 رهط يفسدون في الأرض ولا يصلحون.
Now there were 9 ringleaders in the city who created corruption in the land and never worked to set things right.
قالوا تقاسموا بالله لنبجتنه وأهله ثم لنقولن لوليه ما شهدنا مهلك أهله وإنا لصادقون.
They said, Swear to one another in the name of Allah that we shall make a sudden night swoop on Saleh and his family, and will then tell their heirs that we did not witness the destruction of his family. We are indeed truthful.
ومكروا مكرا ومكرنا مكرا وهم لا يشعرون.
Thus they planned, and we too planned, the while they did not know.
فانظر كيف كان عاقبة مكرهم أنا دمرناهم وقومهم أجمعين.
So see what was the outcome of the plan they made. We utterly destroyed them and their people, all of them.
فتلك بيوتهم خاوية بما ظلموا إن في ذلك لآية لقوم يعلمون.
Now behold their houses that lie in utter ruins because of their wrongdoing. Verily there's a sign in this for the people who know.
وأنجينا الذين آمنوا وكانوا يتقون.
And we delivered those who believed and were warned to avoid disobeying Allah.
ولوطا إذ قال لقومه أتأتون الفاحشة وأنتم تبصرون.
We also sent Lot, and recall when he told his people, Do you commit shameless acts with your eyes open?
أئنكم لتأتون الرجال شهوة من دون النساء بل أنتم قوم تجهلون.
Do you lustfully approach men instead of women? Nay, you engage in acts of sheer ignorance.
فما كان جواب قومه إلا أن قالوا أخرجوا آل لوط من قريتكم إنهم أناس يتطهرون.
But this had only one answer from his people. They said, Expel Lot's folk from your city. They pretend to be absolutely clean.
فأنجيناه وأهله إلا امرأته قدرناها من الغابرين.
Eventually, we saved Lot and his family, except his wife. We had decreed that she should be among those who would remain behind.
وأمطرنا عليهم مطرا فساء مطر المنذرين.
And we rained down upon them a rain. It was an evil rain for those who had already been warned.
قل الحمد لله وسلام على عباده الذين اصطفى الله خير أما يشركون.
Say, O Muhammad, all praise be to Allah, and peace be on those of his servants whom he has chosen. Ask them, who is better, Allah or the false gods that they associate with him as his partners?